Hello there! This is a tutorial for looking dead inside like Aizawa. First, hydrate your face that at least one part of your body is hydrated. Smear any kind of foundation on your face. Then cover the areas to be highlighted again to look extra dead. Put contouring on, especially in the areas where you want to look like life has left you.
So, after 10 minutes of recording, my camera decided to die. So here I am, almost finished. I'm trying to give you a short overview of the steps and I hope it's helpful for you. Sorry, that video is somehow cursed.
Hit your T-zone with baby powder, because color is a luxury tired ones can't have. Take the brush from contouring your nose and gray eyeshadow and circle around your eye. Paint the upper waterline with a 𝓲𝓷𝓼𝓽𝓪𝓴. Apply black eyeshadow, but only above the crease and a bit on the lower lash line. Draw the rough eyebrow shape with a 𝓲𝓷𝓼𝓽𝓪𝓴. Use an eyeliner brush to spread the 𝓲𝓷𝓼𝓽𝓪𝓴. Draw a small sickle with red eyeshadow. Make it sharper with an eyeliner brush. Draw the contours of the scar with brown eyeliner. Keep your hand shaky like the insomniac you are and make zigzag lines. I use a waterproof black mascara to color my blonde beard black. If you don't have a beard, use the technique shown, which I use in my beard gap on my chin. Hold the mascara brush as if you were just tinting your chin lashes. Now it's finally finished. Here you can see all used things again. Thanks for watching. If you're not fallen asleep yet, leave a comment and a subscription, and keep in mind,
I love you.